Almost there. Just a few more nails.
That was tricky. La la la. Looking good.
Gotta make it look appealing.
Almost ready for business. Need this for the money.
Seems accurate enough. Welcome, welcome. What can I get for you today? Here you go, fresh from the farm. That'll be 2 apples, please.
Making a good start.
Here are your lovely red tomatoes, madam. Next customer, please. Gotta keep the shelves full. That'll be £1. For you.
A little discount.
Happy customers make me happy. It's hard work, but rewarding. All secure for tonight.
Time to rest. What a successful day! Wow! The tractor is so big!
Almost. Almost there. What does this button do? Oops. Okay, easy does it. Is harder than it looks. I think I'm getting the hang of this. Next stop, the barn. Perfect. Right on target. Now for the trailer. All hitched up. Gotta load up all these veggies. Wow, that's a lot of food. Onward to the market.
set up.
Hello there.
Welcome.
Here you go. Some fresh carrots. Fresh veggies for everyone. Almost sold out. Time to pack up. Let's see how much I made. Time to go home. That was a great day.
Another day, another bale.
Gotta get those stalls cleaned.
Good morning, everyone. Time for breakfast and a cleanup.
Here you go, friends. Whoa! All right, I'm almost done. You've been a good boy today.
Another day, another job well done. See you tomorrow, friends. Home sweet stable.
Time to get to work.
I know.
Almost there. Just a little bit for each. This is the spot. Watering time.
Time to harvest. So many vegetables.
Back to the farm. Back to the farm. Hey, look at all these vegetables.
Here you go, everyone.
Wow, look at these. Best carrots ever. Here you go, Bessie. Everyone is happy. What will we grow next? This soil looks good. Planting the seeds. Water for the seeds. Wow, look at that! They sprouted perfectly. They're sprouting.
Growing strong.
Get away from my plants! Another great harvest! Time to celebrate! Enjoy, everyone! The future is bright! Oh my! A little rabbit all alone?
I'm so cold and hungry.
Here, little one, have a carrot. It will warm you up.
Thank you. It's delicious. Here, have some more. I have plenty to share. These are so good.
I'm glad you like them.
Here, have some water too.
Poor little thing. You poor little thing. You must have been so scared. Hop on my back, little one. I'll help you find your way home.
Okay.
beautiful forest, isn't it? Mommy! Daddy! I see them. I'm coming. Mommy! Daddy! I missed you.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
It's good to help others.
Aha! They missed one. This will be perfect. Looks like you're in a bit of a pickle. Good thing you found me. I know this jungle like the back of my paw. Let's get going.
Wow, look at them go!
Good morning, world.
All right, everyone, time to rise and shine. These fields will harvest themselves. Let's get moving.
Hold on. I think I've got it. A brilliant idea. All right, who wants to join me down here? It's nice and cozy. Solid. This frame isn't going anywhere. Okay, stack 'em up, stack 'em high. Gotta get these down before the day is done. Okay, stack 'em high, stack 'em neat. We'll be ready for winter in no time. Nobody organizes a stash like this monkey. And just like that, let there be light. Pretty clever, huh? And voila! Another masterpiece completed. I am good. Just a little more hay right here. Gotta make it comfy. And snacks. Can't forget the snacks. And just like that, project storage solution is complete. Pretty impressive, huh? I even alphabetized the acorns. And that should do it. Nice and tight. Now, let's see them try to find this.
Whoa, that escalated quickly. Time to find cover. This log looks perfect. Thunder! It's really coming down. I wonder if the bridge is flooded yet. Oh, crumbs, it's really coming down. Gotta check the supplies. Wait, a leak. Oh no, the bananas. Aha, a bucket.
Look at that! Dry as a bone in here! Told you they'd be fine! All right, everyone, looking good out here. The corn is almost ready, and those berries by the fence look mighty ripe for the picking.
Whoa! I've never seen anything like it. It's incredible.
Look! A rainbow! Perfect. everything accounted for and organized just right. We're set for the season. They think the farm is calm now, but I just figured out how to get those apples.